Shiva Minas and Vatashiva Soumya this. And this is our project online image cropping tool for IndigiLab company and our team name is Codecrafter. And here is the introduction of ourselves. And my crewmates are Nivedhitha DP, Ganesh K, Nikita N, Padidala Srija and Soumya S. And my team lead is Nivedhitha DP. She is the pre-final year of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in RMK Engineering College, and she played a role as a presenter, slide creator, and also developer in this project.
はじめまして。私はニベディタと申します。RMK 大学の Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department の3年生です。チェンネイにある ABK-AOTS 同世界日本語学で日本語を勉強しています。私はマシンラーニングとアーティフィシャルインテリジェンスに関連するプロジェクトをすることに興味があるので、いろいろな実大会によく参加します。それからチームで働くとき、自分で責任と取って一生懸命に働きます。人目で話すことにも興味があります。それでは最後に私、インディジラブ会長と一緒に働きたいです。どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。
And, and my next crewmate is Ganesh K. He is the pre-final year of Electronics and Communication Engineering in RMK Engineering College and Technology, and he played a role as a presenter and also slide creator.
私はガネシと申します。RMKCET 大学のエレクトロニクス and Communication Department が3年生です。私はチェンネイに住んでいます。チェンネイにある ABK-AOTS 女世界日本語学が日本語を勉強しています。現在、N 語コースを修了しています。コンピュータープログラミングに興味がある。C プログラミングが経験があります。現在、Java プログラミングを学んでいます。私の趣味はクリケットをすることです。夢はエンジニアになることです。どうぞよろしくお願いします。
And my third crewmate is Nikita Nagala. She is the pre-final year of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in RMK Engineering College, and she played a role as a developer, creator, and also a presenter in this project.
はじめまして。私はニキタです。サウジから来ました。アランケ大学で学生です。私は BTEC で Artificial Intelligence and Data Science コースに勉強しています。私は新しいいろいろなことが知りたいが好きです。趣味は音楽を聴き、知ってるを知っています。学校の後で Higher Studies に知りたいです。将来の MNC で働きたいです。よろしくお願いします。
And my another crewmate is Baditala Shrija, and she is the pre-final year of Information Technology in RMD Engineering College, and she played a role as a presenter and also a developer in this project.
はじめまして。私はスリージャーです。R&D 大学の学生です。私は C の Python の HTML は CSS の勉強しました。私はフルステックの勉強しています。ありがとうございます。
And last crewmate, and also myself as Soumya S, and I'm the pre-final year of Information Technology in RMD Engineering College, and I played a role as a presenter and developer in this project.
こんにちは、皆さん。私はソミヤです。今、R&D 大学で学生です。今、BTEC Information Technology の勉強しております。And I know some coding languages. Mainly, I'm doing now in C language. And my hobby is to watching videos, learning something which is suspicious, and learning coding languages and doing some programs in online platforms and learning some languages, like various languages. I'm just now currently I'm studying Japanese and Korean. And my ambition is to work in an MNC company. And my short-term goal is to get a placement with a high salary. And my long-term goal is to be a woman who independently live in the society. That's all about me. Arigato gozaimasu.
And that's all about our introduction. And next topic, cropping tool, which was briefly explained by Ganesh K.
Hello everyone, I'm Ganesh. I'm here to explain about the online image cropping tool, what we have done and executed. Problem statement. The problem statement given is to crop the given image to an desired shape. As we can see that the image is not perfect in some cases, we might require a cropping tool for cropping the image. The social media apps such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, what we have used in your daily life, uh, we can crop the display picture into the circular shape. Likewise, many other shapes are required for different usage. These cropping tools are also often used to focus on our desired objects, which is also helpful in removal of unwanted and irrelevant details from the image. And here comes the basic features of a project. As per the problem statement, the basic features are it should be a simple web browser for user friendly. As it is a web browser, it is a public domain, so anyone can access it from anywhere and anytime. Image upload option. In the website, we have an option called choose file. It can take the different user inputs in the formats like PNG, JPEG, which is a image format, and it won't accept any other formats rather than the image. Then, whenever the image is uploaded in the website, the crop option will be displayed. After cropping, we can save the image to have a preview of the cropped version. We have an option to download the cropped version of our image. These are some basic features of a project. Actually, the problem statement was to crop the image in circular format, circular shape. Actually, we have tried in different shapes too, which will be explained by my friend Nivedhitha in the upcoming slides. This is the overview preview of a website what we have created and executed. This is the choose file option where you can choose the image format files what we have saved in our desktop. We can crop the image in what way we have wanted, and we can download and save in the desktop file. Considering all the features, we have implemented this tool. Now the implementation part will be explained by my friend Nikita Nagala.
Hajime Mashite. Watashiwa Nikita des. So I am going to explain about what we have implemented in our project. So these are all the features which we have included in our website. We have created a user-friendly application using the public domain so that anyone can access our website for cropping their images. And our website will work on almost all the browsers. Our cropping tool will crop the images in different shapes like circle, rectangle, square, as given in the problem statement. Apart from that, we have implemented for triangle shape also by considering the optional problem. Beyond them, shapes like stars, arrows, messages, etc. are all implemented, which will be explained by the Nivedhitha DP in further slides. So our website has easy navigation as we have included separate buttons for each of the shapes to crop the images. And also for uploading, for previewing and for downloading the images, separate buttons are given so that user can easily recognize the action which the buttons can do. And any type of images can be uploaded from the local computer to crop the images. But we need to make sure that only image format is acceptable for cropping the images. All the images that are cropped can be previewed before and we can download them after. So that if any modifications are needed for the cropped image, we can modify them beforehand before downloading. So let me give you a brief intro about how user experiences while using our website. This is very similar to the features which I have told before. This is just a diagrammatic representation. So first, the user can upload the image whichever he wanted to crop from the local computer. And then he can crop that image into various shapes as available on our website. After that, he can preview the cropped image and he can download them into the local computer. So these are all the technologies used for building our website. So first, HTML5. HTML is used for designing the entire front end because in any website, front end plays a key role in attracting the users. For better user experience, we have given a green themed website along with team members details and all. So CSS will be useful for designing colors, layout and so on, and it is mainly used for styling the website, which makes our website more attractive to the user. And JavaScript. Any website should be more interactive in order to attract our users. So, in order to make our website more interactive, operations like sliding operations, swiping operations, and these are all included, and uploading and downloading functions in the buttons, these are all included by using the JavaScript functions. Bootstrap is also one of the open source front end framework which will be used for the front end development. GitHub pages, and for any website, giving public access is really very important for making a website accessible to everyone. So for that, we have used the GitHub pages, which is used to convert our website from our local domain to public access. So now the front end and the back end will be explained by Miss Nivedhitha DP.
Hajime Mashite, Watashiwa Nivedhitha to Moshimasu. So today I will be explaining about the front and back end of our project. So the team name is The Code Crafters, and this is the web browser that we have made in order to deploy and showcase our project. So as this problem statements was provided to us by the IndigiLab, in order to honor them, we have named it as IndigiLab Online Image Cropping Tool. So let us start with the first section. So this is the navigation bar wherein it is home page, our project page, our features, our team members, and the thank you slide. So these are some of the buttons that comes in the next section wherein these have variety of options in order to crop. So before going to these, let us explore the basic feature wherein we are going to focus on the circular cropping tool, as this is the most convenient and most frequently used shape, as we're going to upload in profile photos such as social medias including WhatsApps, Instagrams, and many other pages. So this is given a user interface wherein a choose file option and a choose image has been displayed for the user to understand that he has to choose a file. So let us choose a file from our local device. Let me get into the test images. So for example, let me select the first image and open. So here you can see that a circular shape is being displayed. So you can you can increase and decrease the radius accordingly and move the circular image, circular crop wherever you want to. So when you position it, so let us crop this tree for now. So wherever you move and you can decrease the size. So let us crop. So for cropping, you have to click the crop button. So this is the preview of the cropped image. So as you can see, the points are very distinct and they are having a perfect circular shape. So after cropping, we are going to download it back to the local device in order to save the image. So you're going to download the image. So it will get downloaded in the same format as which the input image was. So let us download it in the desktop file named as download.psd and click save. So as you can see, it gets downloaded at the bottom. So this is one of the cropping tool. So let us also explore about our other features. So this is our other features wherein, as I already told, it is a simple web browser which is very easy and a user-friendly all-in-one application that supports variety of shapes. So it is accessible from anywhere and it is a public domain. And we have the image upload option that can take an image in any format. And as a basic feature, we have the circular crop option. And this is for easy profile photos. So this is the navigation bar that is made for our features. So we also have the rectangular or square cropping option, which is the default in many of the shapes. And we have the display, that is preview, and the download options of the resultant images in order to get back to the local devices. We also support various other shapes such as triangle, star, heptagon, pentagon, cross shape, and many more. Let us explore that in the future slides. So coming down to our team details, so it is myself, Nivedhitha DP, and my team members include Ganesh San, Nikita Nagala San, Srija San, and Soumya San for our team members. So we are five in number. And this is the footer section wherein we have provided our team name as the code crafters. So before coming to the end, let us go back and explore these options that provide us various other features. So let us go for the square or rectangular crop. So when I click this button, it takes us to a new tab because it is going to be very user friendly, which allows usage of both the tabs next to each other. So this is a rectangular or square online image cropping tool wherein we have the same upload and save and download options. It is also written in Japanese for easy readability. So let us choose a file. For example, I take the second pictures, I say open. So as you can see, this is how the cropping tool gets displayed. You can change the length, breadth, or however you want. So you can place as per your wish and click the save button, and you can see the entire image is cropped. Here the image width is set to be 300, so the image width is set to be 300 for this preview image. You can change accordingly the down and up options also. So when I click download button, it gets downloaded in the format of image name.png. So I can click save. As you can see, it has got downloaded. So this is one such feature. So navigating back to the home page is also very simple from here, as we have linked both the pages. So let's navigate back to the home page. So that we have explored this. So let us get back to the triangle crop, which is our additional feature. So here let us choose a file and see how it is working. So for example, I want to go for Paris Eiffel Tower. So as you can see, there are three defined points, and you can change the length, the height, as well as the base of the triangle. And you can take the triangle anywhere and place it as per your wish. So let us crop this Eiffel Tower for a sec. So I click the save button, and as you can see, the width is taken as 300, and accordingly the height is adjusted, so we get the download image. So let us click download to download the triangular image. So let us click save. So you can see this image is also downloaded. So this is the triangular feature. Let's navigate back to the home page. We have the star crop options. So these star, pentagon, and cross-shaped message and arrow are the additional features that we have created out of our own interest without the problem statements. So let us go for a star-shaped online image cropping tool, wherein let's choose the file. For example, say pick 4. So as you can see, a star shape is being displayed. Here you can move and you can define your own points. You can minimize or expand the star however you want. And for example, I want to crop this person, and I click save button. You can see it is very distinct and with a clear sharp edges. So you can also download the same image as in the same way. So you can see that image is getting downloaded. So this is one of the simplest way wherein there are a number of shapes you can enjoy using an art tool. So next is the pentagon crop. So this is also a frequently used shape for children in their schools and stuffs. So let us use the choose file option to upload an image. So let's go into some Japanese. So let's go into pick 5. So here you can see the pentagon. There are 5 sides, and vertices are also placed accordingly. You can enlarge, you can adjust your shape however you want. So for example, now let us crop this person. So I click save, and you can see it is saved. So the preview is also very useful so that you can see and you can adjust accordingly. So if you want to crop like this, you can crop, or you can crop like this, you can change. So it is very changeable, and it is drag and drop options, which allows a good user interface. So you can download the images as well. So it gets downloaded. So going back, we have the cross-shaped cropping. So this is a cross-shaped online image cropping tool wherein you can choose a file. So let us see how it works. So for example, let's take this. So as you can see, this is a crop image. This is in the form of a cross, wherein you can drag, change the length and all stuff. So let me place it for cropping this tree, and you click save. As you can see, everything is coming in a well-defined shape. So let us click the download button, and it gets downloaded into our local device. So let me just clear these. And now let us go back and explore the message shaped crop. As you can see, this is very frequently used, especially when you're going to have presentations and the other stuffs. So let us maybe use pick 7, and you have a message shaped. So you can see it is a message icon. So let me place it here. Here also you can change the size and navigate accordingly. It is all of completely drag and drop options. So for example, let us crop this and click the save button, and as you can see, the output is also displayed in the same version and the same crop in the same edge of the vertices that we require. And this also can be downloaded in a similar manner. So we can save. So you can see it as gets sorted. So next comes the arrow shaped crop. So this is also similar, wherein it will be cropped in the form of an arrow. So let us click an image, pick 6 for example. So we have an arrow shape, as you can see. So let us click save, and you can see it is an arrow shape. So this also can be downloaded as per our convenience. So you can see the image also gets downloaded. It is not that only rectangular or square shape should be given as the input. You can give anything as the input. For example, let us choose a file, for example, say a triangular picture. So here you can adjust however you want. For example, I want only the eyes. I can say save. So even the triangular part is being saved in this manner. So you can download that again as well. So it works in the same way and it is applicable for any kind of input images. These will be adaptable for PNG, JPEG, JPG, and other file formats that can be used. So going back to our website, so this is how we have explored all the buttons here, and these team details direct us to the team details section that is available at the bottom. So as I said, these are the navigation bars. So our project takes us to this, the cropping, circular cropping tool. That is the fundamental stuff. And our features, our team, and then the thank you. So this is all about the front end that we have created. So going back to the back end. So this is the folder where all the codes are available. So the main.html is the code for this main page. So wherein style 1 and script 1 are the associated styling and the functions which include the JavaScript. So we have only used Java, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and along with that, we have also used Bootstrap that is embedded in the HTML files. So this is all for the front end. So for that, for example, let us open the main.html. So here you can see we have inputted the title and then we have some style sheets that are linked to the HTML file. So, and then we have also defined the style using the style tag. And here we have the navigation buttons, the home, our project, our features. So this was the one that was displayed here. So similarly, we have the other section wherein there are about 6 to 7 buttons that are being linked. So that is also being displayed. So these are the 7 buttons that I was talking about in the code section. So getting back, we have the circular cropping tool. So here we have created a content class content, a class container into which we have called the start cropping a JavaScript function wherein it will be able to choose an image and accordingly crop with the height and width that has been given here. So it will be able to browse the image and read the file. And this is also the same where it will be able to align and preview the cropped image from the same source file. So this is the JavaScript file that will be able to read the file that has been given by the user and display the image data that has been imported from the local disk. So this is all function. So it is be function on click. So whenever the button is clicked, then that particular function will get executed and stuffs. So we have the crop button and we have the cropped image result that is being stored on the right hand side, and the display image data is on the left hand side that we have been seeing. So as I told, this is the displayed image and this is the cropped image. So getting back to our backend, so this is how we work. Here we have mentioned with 2 pi r as the circumference, and we have given the width and the height values, and we have also given the shape using the draw image function in the JavaScript with the height and width associated. And the download button is associated with the download function. So, and the swiper function, as you can see here, we have the swipe about our features. These swipes are indicated by the swiper function, wherein each of them are uh, declared here. I'm sorry. So each of them are declared here a simple web browser and the content that is associated with that for each of them. And after that, we have again the swipe slide that is for the team details that has been associated with that. So there also we have our name and our description there. So that has been applicable for our 5 of us in our team. So the footer section, the copyright and all the stuff, and we have the two JS file that has been linked together. So this is the main.html. So going to the JavaScript file of the HTML, so you have button on click, what it has to do, what it has to toggle. And here for the swiper, we have the what is the space between each of the swipers. And if it is going to be loop, then you can swipe. There's no ending for the loop, so you can keep swiping and it gets repeated again and again. So accordingly, the slides per view 2 or 3 also decided. So we have 2 and 3 here. So accordingly, we have these swiper functions. This is the same thing is repeated in the other files also. The main file and the JavaScript one is being repeated for the other style 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 8 for different images, for different shapes such as arrow, cross, message, pentagon shapes, star shapes, and stuffs. So this is all about the backend. And coming back to the website, this is all about a website. and this is the demonstration. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Srija. I'm going to give the details about the explanation and result part. This is the website that we have created. We work it for IndigiLab, and this is the online cropping tool. We have symbolically represented the Japanese. These are the simple buttons that we have created to show our features, and these will be explained in detail by my friend Nivedhitha. The basic features which you have given for us is circle, and we have implemented it, and we have to show the output screenshot. Here we have taken the logo of RMK Engineering College and we have cropped it into a circular form, and we can even download after cropping the picture. And as the same way we have cropped a RMT Engineering College logo into a circular form, and we can even download this. And the optional features which we have received from you are triangle, square and rectangle, and we have implemented those two. And the following are the output screenshot of a rectangle, and we can even change it into a square by changing the width and the length of the image. And this is the output of a triangle shaped cropping. Here we have chosen a random image and we have cropped it into a triangular shape, and we can even download the image after cropping it. Our additional features, out of the features which you have told, and we have even included some more additional features based on our own interest, like star symbol, cross symbol, message symbol and so on. Let me show you the output of the cropped pictures. As we can see that a random image here is cropped it into a star, and we have even provided the Japanese language so that everyone can understand it, so that it is so user friendly. And we have even cropped a picture into a cross shape. And this is the output of the picture, which is cropped into a message shape, and we can download all the pictures which we are being cropped. And we can see that one more image is cropped into a forward symbol. On the conclusion, I want to conclude that a simple drag and drop, user friendly all-in-one platform has been developed as a part of our coding test for the target users. In future, we will include many other shapes for cropping. This we I also want to specify that this web browser will be accessible and supports all kind of platforms like Windows and Linux, etc. Thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu.